Welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's Ritual Classroom. Today we are going to learn how to find the square of numbers with digits 3, 6 and 9. This method is so easy. As we all know, 6 square is 36. Let's see how to find the square of 66. Write 3 and 6 with a little space between. Since there are 2 6's in 66, there's supposed to be 1 digit in each side. 1 less than 6 is 5. 1 more than 3 is 4. So 66 square is 4,356. Let's try another example. 666 square. Write 3 and 6 with a little space between. 2 digits on each side because there are 3 6's in 666, so we take 2. 1 less than 6 is 5. Write 5 2 times. 1 more than 3 is 4. Write 4 2 times. So 666 square is 4 4 3 5 5 6. Let's try another example. 6,666 square. Write 3 and 6 with a little more space in between. Since there are 4 6's in 6,666, there are supposed to be 3 digits on each side. 1 less than 6 is 5. Write 5 3 times. 1 more than 3 is 4. Write 4 3 times. So the answer for 6,666 square is 4 4 4 3 5 5 5 6. Now let's see how to square numbers with 3. As you all know, 3 square is 9. Let's see how to do 33 square. Write 9 as 09 with a little space between. Since there are 2 3's in 33, there's supposed to be 1 digits on each side. 1 less than 9 is 8. Write down the 8. 1 more than 0 is 1. Write down the 1. So 33 square is 1089. Let's try 333 square. Write 09 with a little space between. Since there are 3 3's in 333, there are supposed to be 2 digits on each side. 1 less than 9 is 8. Write 8 2 times. 1 more than 0 is 1. Write 1 2 times. So 333 square is 110889. Let's try another example. 3,333 square. Write 9 as 09 with a little bit more space. Since there are 4 3's in 3,333, there are supposed to be 3 digits on each side. 1 less than 9 is 8. Write 8 3 times. 1 more than 0 is 1. Write 1 3 times. So 3333 square is 111088889. Let's try 9 square. As you all know, 9 square is 81. Okay, let's try 99 square. First, write 81 with a little space between. There is supposed to be one digit on each side because there are 2 9s in 99. 1 less than 1 is 0. So write down the 0. 1 more than 8 is 9. So write down the 9. So 99 square is 9801. Let's try another example. 999 square. Write 81 with a little space between. 2 digits on each side because there are 3 9s in 999. So there are 2 digits on each side. 1 less than 1 is 0. Write 0 2 times. 1 more than 8 is 9. Write 9 2 times. So 999 square is 998001. Let's try one more example. 9999 square. Write 81 with a little bit more space in between. Since there are 4 9s in 9999, there are supposed to be 3 digits on each side. 1 less than 1 is 0. Write 0 3 times. Next, 1 more than 8 is 9. Write 9 3 times. So 9999 square is 99980001. Thanks for watching.